You know, he was with Kenny's music when he was growing up. He left Kenny's music to start his own record company with his brother called Nigerian. He recorded so many albums.
I spend my money every day on top woman.
Our industry is getting better. If we can come together and harness whatever the problem is to be able to create future for musicians. There's a guy that sang a song, Ajo Dabile, a song that is dedicated to every traveler that leaves Nigeria to go look for greener pastures. You go overseas, you don't want to come back. And again, he put the song so that he can remember that you have family at home. You should come back.
Ajo Dabile, no matter where you go, make you not forget area,
And people said he used the song against his brother, Babadi. When the record came out, Motherland, it was all well accepted that whereas he sang the song for everybody, not for his brother. How will you sing a song to knock your brother? It's not possible. But creativity was in him that came out through the song. That song is a classic, timeless, will never be forgotten. I'm very sure they will play the song like mad now that it's gone. The legacy of your work can never be forgotten, and Larry will be missed greatly. That's just one of his songs. Other songs, so many other songs, Mathematics.
Everybody, join Jambajantis, we solve mathematics.
Eba Miki Igbe Oleo. Who is not a thief?
If I tell you, say, Eba Miki Igbe Oleo, even thief go they follow, go they shout Oleo. Hey, who be the thief, who be the guy? Who be the bush speed and who be the hunter?
It's when you are caught that you say, okay, I just did it yesterday, I had never done it before. Like Joel Amadi, so many ways he touched so many people with his music, and those are the things that would never be forgotten. We had a production in our studio here for Konwa, our studio, where he came with his entire band just a few months ago. He was looking beautiful, he was well-mannered, beautifully cultured, and performed live songs of his album. He did not look sick. He doesn't drink. He doesn't smoke. It's a staunch Muslim brother. He fasted every fasting period. Recognizes every prayer. He say, it's too much. He mentors a lot of people. When Shantisu was with him, and when Shantisu left, Shantisu now brought out the song, and the song blew up. As a gentleman, I said, give me my recognition that I wrote the song with you. I don't want your money. He also mentored Sheyi Shea. When Sheyi Shea first came back from Europe, before going to other people, he mentored J1 in First Stack. Which one? Shola Ijanusi. Those are people that he brought to Kenny's music. Shola just finished his secondary school, and today Shola is a big A&R executive, managing superstars, working with superstars like Sultan, like Malians. He mentored so many different people. He was a gentle guy to the core. Music Copyright Societies of Nigeria 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago, collected billions. I said billions. I stand to be corrected. Billions of naira on behalf of musicians. In such a scenario, those are the purses that should be tapped on into for artists that when they get old, when they retire, they get money back either quarterly, biannually, or annually from copyrights. But billions of naira still in the bank. I stand corrected. But the account has been frozen. Are you with me? And the money is there. The money is for musicians. Those are the places where such a scenario can be tapped into and help the musicians that they needed support. Revenues earned through copyright should be used to cater for people like this. He does not fight. Even when he talks with you in a very gentle manner. God will rest his soul and comfort his family. Amen.